Hey guys, I'm gonna be doing how many fish trays can I stack? This is three. Wait, I should probably put this Oh no, I'm just gonna stack them. Whoa! Whoa! Oh no, this one kind of failed. There we go. Check that out. Check that out. That's it. Whoops. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment. Bye.